I don't know how many residents that I've told I would love for every road in the county to be brand new. My job would be so easy if every road was brand new. It's not obtainable, so we have to do these things that are obtainable with the amount of taxes that the community is comfortable with paying to preserve the roads as best we can. And that's really the goal of it. Yeah, so about 15 or more years ago, the guys over at Holbrook Asphalt came and did a presentation for me on HA5, and we did a pilot project where we tested it out. And what we found in our first 15 years of using it was we did that on a road, and at year 19, I think it was, after 2 or 3 treatments, that road scored a 92 PCI. So if you've got a 30-year construction of a road and you're only spending 70 to 80 cents per square foot over a 20-year period, and you can still be in a 90 PCI, I mean, that's a huge cost savings. So it goes with the thought that if you get on it early and you keep your good roads good, you can get 50 years of life out of them, and it really doesn't cost you that much. Every time that we have used HA5 in a residential area, I have more positive feedback than I ever do for negative feedback. So if somebody asked me about high density mineral bond, I'd obviously tell them that it's a product that I've been using for about 2 decades now. I've watched it get installed in many different applications, and I have yet to have an issue with the high density mineral bond performing as it's supposed to. It prevents a lot of the deterioration, and working with Holbrook Asphalt has always been fair, and I've never had any change orders that were unanticipated.